Hi guys, it's Lucky Charms, and today I am going to be showing you guys all my wigs, and this is, I guess, the first one we're gonna start with, which I got for like 20 to 35, I believe, on Amazon, and today I'm going to be going through all of my wigs. So, if you want to see all my wigs, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna go from this wig to the one closest to me, and then, well, the ones closest to me, and then the ones in my closet, because, like, my drag is kind of pouring everywhere right now, but I still want more wigs, so we're gonna start with this one, and I love ginger wigs. I have, three of them, and I want more, so, I don't plan on stopping. I love this wig, and I did all this makeup, so I would look really, 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 really good in all the wigs and give them all a chance for you guys, and I really did it. So let me know what you guys think of this first one. Oh yeah, let me know which one is your guys' favorite. Um, and like ones you want me to wear more, or ones like the ones that you haven't seen, and you're like, oh my god, you need to wear that more. So let me know. If you see ones like that that you really like, and I'll try to wear them more. So on to the next one. So the first wig I'm gonna show, and it has like a weird hairline, so I would totally move this. Oh, I'm gonna move this up then and fix it around for you guys, but I would have this in a different kind of way and like pin it here, but for now I'll just kind of cover. This is a creation that my brother did, not I. It's one of my favorite wigs, and it's already like not the best quality hair, so oh, let me pull it down. Maybe that'll make it sit better. Or yeah, there is straps. I just like if I laid the lace, it would be okay, but I'm just not right now, so don't at me. Honestly, Ariana Grande could like really fight for like Canada. I want her to. Like I know she's like not Canadian, but she's just so good. Anyways, on to the next one. Okay, this one is the third one, and it's my Raggedy Ann fantasy, and Katana knows about this wig, and everyone who knows about this wig hates this wig, but a hater's gonna hate, you know? Like, I am Raggedy Ann and unbothered, but it's always just like this. I don't know where the bangs are anymore. So, I mean, Brad Mondo is literally shook. So, on to the next one. Okay, this one also isn't necessarily like my favorite, but I mean, I have it. That's all I can really say about this wig is that it's owned by me. No. On to the next one. So this one is, I'll make it bigger, is in the shape of a heart. I usually wear it more over here, right there, bing bang boom. This is more for Valentine's Day in a little bit. But yeah, it has to be pinned in to a wig head. This is one of my favorite wigs that I've made. We're kind of going up in quality, but like not hair wise. Also, this bang literally fought me, so what can I say? Except you're welcome. On to the next one. Okay, this is a hard front, but even though it is a hard front, I don't mind the way it's made, and my brother like braided some things into it, so I don't know. It's very me, so okay, this is my housewife wig. I usually just go like this, put it on, and it's already pre-styled because I'm the one who styled it. But my brother would style my wig sometimes, but he's the one who had this cute little bow. And it's nice, and it's not that falling out of its shape, like it stays in its shape except for like a couple hairs in the front, which honestly adds to the look for me, so I'm gonna keep it like this for a little bit. So, on to the next one. Or, sorry, I wasn't in the center, but on to the next one. We are getting to the second half of it, basically. So I don't own a lot of blonde hair, but I own two, which you're gonna see both today. This is the first one. I got it second, but it has purple on the ends. Just imagine it's glued down, like just if you can imagine for me, and just imagine I like quickly brushed the hair. Like, I think you guys get the point. But this was around like 50 to 60. Most of my wigs are, except for like the hard fronts. They're more 30, 40. You can get a pretty good hard front. So, on to the next one. I should have done all the ginger and blonde wigs together, but that's, my bad. But this is one of my favorite wigs. I mean, just any look. I love this wig. It's perfect hair texture. Like, it kind of matches my natural hair texture, which is like a little bit curly, but not too curly. On to the next one. This is also a fairly new one, which I love and I think is like so pretty and so gorgeous. So, I mean, it's showing up more blue on camera, but it's a little bit more sea foamy green blue in person. And like, I don't know how my neon wig shows up on camera. Actually, I do, but it's pretty neon. I mean, I guess I could go closer. Now I've shown this wig on camera. This is my how to cut lace wig on me. Next one. I love this wig. I styled it myself. It's more yellow in person, I would say. If I'm looking at myself in the mirror, and then on here it's more yellow in person, and then on the camera it's more white. But I think you guys get the idea. So we're on to our last two wigs. This wig isn't exactly in the best quality at the moment because I need to steam it and do a bunch of stuff. But it is in a cute little updo that my brother did, and we're probably gonna do something different with it, like steam it. Which I think I'm going to do later, because now that I put it on, I see it, I'm like, ugh, bothersome. But there is one more wig, which is the blonde white one, which you guys have seen before. This is one of my favorite wigs, and I don't usually do blonde, so it kind of has to be white, or else, it's not really for me. But this is the last and final wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see next time. Bye.